What if I told you that by the end of this video, you could be making more money from your phone than most people make in an entire week of work? No, this isn't a fairy tale. This is 2025, and the rules have changed. But before you scroll away thinking, I've heard this before, trust me, you haven't. This isn't about starting a business that takes $5,000 to launch or about becoming the next TikTok influencer. This is about real, actionable, easy to start side hustles that are blowing up right now and will only get hotter this year. You're about to learn the exact side hustles that smart, ambitious 15 to 30-year-olds are using to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start living life on their terms. Only the people who take action fast are going to win, because opportunity doesn't wait, it disappears. Let's dive in. 1. AI-powered freelancing, the skill shortcut of 2025. You don't need to be a tech genius to ride the AI wave. In fact, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs are making it easier than ever for anyone, yes, anyone, to start offering valuable services online. Graphic design, done in minutes, copywriting, automated, voiceovers, generated with scary accuracy. Learn how to use a few of these tools efficiently and offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Instagram. People are paying $50 to $200 for things you can now do in under 30 minutes. Too good to be true? Not if you position yourself correctly. AI is just a tool. Your value is knowing how to use it faster and better than your clients. And if you're thinking, but I'm not creative, well, good news. Neither is ChatGPT. It just sounds like it is. But what if you could start a side hustle that actually earns while you sleep? That's next. 2. Digital product. Sleep, earn, repeat. This is the ultimate lazy hustle, and I mean that in the best way. Ebooks, Notion templates, planners, aesthetic Canva designs. You can create them once and sell them over and over again on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. People are making real income, some even hitting 1,000 plus a week, just by selling digital downloads. And with AI tools and design platforms, you don't need to start from scratch. Make a study planner for students, a meal tracker for gym bros, a minimalist budget template for people who have $7 in their bank account but want to act like they have $7 million. The only thing stopping you is waiting too long. This space is heating up fast, and what's new today becomes saturated tomorrow. But maybe you're thinking, I want something even more flexible, something I can do while commuting or chilling on the couch. You'll love this next one. 3. Remote UGC creation. No followers, no problem user-generated content is exploding. Brands are no longer just paying influencers. They're paying regular people to film simple, relatable videos of themselves using a product. No massive audience, no viral dance moves, just authentic content that brands can run as ads. You can earn $100 to $500 per video just filming with your phone. No ring light, no problem. They want real, not polished, not perfect. Just you. If you've ever filmed a snap complaining about your iced coffee, congrats, you already have more experience than most. Start by reaching out to small brands on TikTok or use platforms like Billo or Trend. And if you're under 18, you can still partner through a parent or sibling. But what if you're camera shy or you just don't want your face out there? Don't worry, I've got a hustle for that too. 4. Faceless YouTube automation, passive income in disguise. You're literally watching one right now. Faceless YouTube channels are popping off. Finance, motivation, tech, storytelling, you name it. And guess what? You don't need to be the next Mr. Beast. You just need a strategy. Here's how it works. Write scripts using AI. Use text-to-speech voiceovers. Grab B-roll from free libraries. And publish consistent, high-value content. You can outsource most of it for cheap or do it yourself and learn as you go. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Some channels are hitting $10,000 a month with zero filming, zero talking, and zero face. The longer you wait to start, the more saturated the niche becomes. This is your chance to build a digital asset, not just a hustle. But let's say you want something fast, something you can start today, with no tech, no camera, and almost no learning curve. 5. Microtasking plus smart. Surveys the start now hustle. This one's for the beginners, the ones still figuring it out, and that's okay. Apps like Swagbucks, Amazon MTurk, Respondent.io, and Prolific let you earn real money for doing small tasks, giving feedback, even testing new apps. Yes, this won't make you rich, but it will teach you discipline, speed, and how to find higher-paying gigs as you go. Combine these with smart time blocking, and you could earn $10 to $30 an hour while binge-watching Netflix. Not bad for a warm-up hustle, right? You already waste hours scrolling. Why not get paid for tapping buttons instead? But what if I told you there's a way to combine two or more of these hustles into a full-blown automated income machine? That's exactly what we'll talk about in the next part of this series. If you got even one good idea from this video, imagine what happens when you stack these hustles with the right tools and automation strategies. In the next video, I'll show you the exact apps, websites, and AI tools you can use to 10x these side hustles and turn them into serious streams of income. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and don't miss part 2, because the next step is where things go from side hustle to game changer. See you there.